Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, you have to go to Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter app. Download this app, open it. Now allow to send notifications. And as you can see, now the internet speed indicator is available in the status bar. Also, you can go to Preferences, enter Advanced Settings, and in order to keep it in the status bar, you have to remove background restrictions. So tap Add to Whitelist button, select all, search for Internet Speed Meter Light and unmatch this button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.